Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss a very interesting problem from the AtCoder beginner contest 174, problem C, Repsept. So the problem statement states that Takahashi loves the number 7 and a multiple of k. You are given that you have to find out the first occurrence of a multiple of k in this sequence. The sequence is 7, 2 times 7, 3 times 7, 4 times 7 and so on. So you have to find out the first occurrence of a multiple of k. Else if there is no multiple of k exists, you have to return minus 1. Now you can observe that from this example. Uh, you write down the sequence 7 7 7 3 times 7 4 times 7. Now 4 times 7 is a multiple of 101, and thus the answer is 4 because the fourth index number or the fourth number is a multiple of 101. Else 2, if you are input of 2, then as you can see, if you write down all these numbers, there is no single number which is divisible by 2, and thus the answer is minus 1. To understand the logic of this question, you will understand how we divide any number. Now if you write down 7 times 4, if you divide it by 101, you will find out the closest number of 101 which is like less than 777. Okay, so now if you divide this out, you will find out that the remainder is 70. Now what you will do, you will append the next number directly to this remainder. So what you're doing, you're taking out the remainder and then appending the next number directly, then taking this as a whole number and then keep on dividing it. So whenever the remainder turns out to be smaller than this number, always. Okay, so when this number gets smaller than this, you will append the next number and so on. And you will keep doing this until you find a number which is reduced by 101. Else you will put on out. So what you'll do, that first number is, let's assume that we have 7. Now you append 7. Then you again append 7, and you see that 777 becomes greater than 101. So you will subtract 707, which is the closest of 101, and the remainder turns out to be 70. So you just find out the remainder. Now you see that remainder is divisible by 101. No, so you will append the next number 7 and check that whether 707 is divisible by 101. Yes, so the answer is the fourth index. So that's the whole trick for this question. Let's move on to the drawing board to make it, or like the code to make it more clear. So what you can do, you can keep on appending 7777 to a very large number. So let's assume that we go up to 10 to power like 6 or 7. If we don't find any number up till this, up till a number which is 7777, go on till we append 10 to power 7 number of sevens. If we don't find any number till then we assume that there is no further number. So what you'll do, you will take down the total. Okay, and this is k. You will append the number in total and mod it with k. So you will take out this total number, multiply it with 10 plus 7. This will append the 7 at the back of the modulus number, and you will mod it with k. At any time of this iteration, if this total turns out to be 0, which means that the number at this index is a perfect multiple of k, you will see out I, which is the ith index. Else, if you do all the iterations till 10 to the power 7, I don't find any number, then you return minus 1. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code for this question. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.